It's not difficult to find horrifying statistics regarding cockroaches, as they remain one of the most hated pests in America. It's estimated that 63% of households in the United States have cockroaches in them, quite an alarming number. At the same time, professional pest control costs can be several $100s. In addition, who wants to be spraying chemical pest control spray all over their kitchen or wherever else roaches may be? With our concern for the environment, alternative forms of natural pest control are available, which are considerably cheaper and very easy to apply. With these things in mind, in this video we're exploring an amazing sugar and baking soda hack that'll keep cockroaches out of your home forever. Believe it or not, it's the combination of these two ingredients into a powder that can be an effective pest deterrent. This is a great solution for people on a budget. The two ingredients are also completely non-toxic, making this particular hack perfect for households with kids and pets. As long as you're persistent with this method, you'll notice the cockroaches slowly begin to disappear. To make a mixture appropriate for pest control of cockroaches, simply mix equal parts sugar and baking soda together thoroughly. The sugar smell will attract the roaches, but it's the ingestion of the baking soda that will kill the insects. One more step is necessary for their elimination. They also need to drink some water, upon which their stomachs will burst, killing them instantly. Therefore, it's important to follow the rest of the instructions carefully. Take small jar lids or make small bowls out of aluminum foil and put some of the powder mixture inside each one. Then place a small saucer or bottle cap of water alongside the powder. Place these bait and water bowls in places you've seen roaches or in places you know they're likely to gather. Every few days, check the bowls and refill them as needed. It's going to be similar to a routine of feeding and watering pets, but instead of pets, it's pests. Over several weeks, this can eradicate the resident cockroaches once and for all. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to make a DIY natural cockroach killer using baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.